Hello and welcome to JBJS.org. Today I want to share with you some exciting news about a new feature on the JBJS website. This new feature allows you to customize your screen to showcase the subspecialties of greatest interest to you, so that every time you come back to JBJS, your subspecialty will be prominently displayed on your desktop or mobile device. First, just log on to your account and then click My JBJS in the top left column. Click on Settings, and then select your top 3 subspecialties of interest. Be sure to hit Save. Click on the JBJS logo and return to the home page. Your top 3 subspecialties will be front and center every time you return. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Thank you.